All right, so here's what we're doing. So basically in this short video, I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. I want to talk about quickly your understanding of a course per se. All right. Now, I don't think you're going to get to where you want to go as a trader from buying courses, including mine. And I mean that, including mine. Yes, a course or a program, as I call mine, will give you vital information. Most courses will give you some information that you're able to use. However, what I will tell you, one of the biggest things that you will be lacking, and most traders don't understand this, it's not discipline, it's not technical analysis, it's not psychology. What you are lacking is consistency. And consistency only comes with experience, meaning you are interacting with the very thing that you're doing. So for me, what I would really tell you is try your best to interact with the thing that you want to do as much as possible. Interact with the information that you get from any course. Interact with the information that you get from on YouTube, right? Now, I'll tell you this. What I have been focusing on over the last year or so is, instead of focusing my energy on a course or course content, I've been focusing energy on individuals, where I'm sitting with individuals in a consulting fashion where I can work with you on an individual basis. That's what I've been doing, right? And I'm trying to prepare people for the funded program challenges, various challenges and stuff. And in doing this, what it's actually aiming to solve is making sure that I'm working with you on a one-on-one basis to kind of help build that consistency. We can see inadequacies together, obviously, on what it is we're doing and how we're doing it. And we can make adjustments for the same, right? By doing that every week for 4, 8 or 12 weeks, essentially, that's what that's how I offer my services. By doing that for 4, 8 or 12 weeks, I'm able to pay attention to the mistakes that you might be making. Things that a course will never be able to tell you, right? So this is one of the things I've realized that really disrupts traders and stops and blocks traders from, continuing and progressing onward. Because the question I want to ask you now, and if you did watch this entire video, the question I want to ask you is, have you ever gotten extremely good results from a course, including mine? The answer is probably no. A course is going to give you very good information. Most of them will give you pretty good information, but that's only as far as it's going to get. Good information. In order to be able to utilize and execute that information, you need to be interacting with it on a constant and frequent basis. And that is where consistency comes from. So, if you're interested, you know where to find me. You can message me anytime on Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube at EkataTrading, or you can email me directly at EkataTrading1@gmail.com. You could message me anytime. If you have any questions or queries, you all know where to find me. Peace out, guys.